My name is Connie Huffa. I am a textile engineer. I've been a textile engineer for over 35 years. I started in the 80s and I worked at a factory in Philadelphia, but they had a lot of mechanical machines and computers were just making themselves known in the industry. It was one of those things where the mechanical machine, I want to call them mechanics, they really didn't want to learn the computers. They thought it was a fad. So they said, give it to the girl. And I'm like, yeah, give it to the girl. I'll take it. No problem. And basically I was doing a lot of the different programming and they were very happy because they didn't have to do this. They didn't have to learn anything. So I'll tell you a few things of when I'm out with my husband and we're at a technical group talking to maybe some of the professional people from the machine builders, and I'll ask a technical question. They will turn and answer my husband rather than me. And he couldn't believe this was happening. So when I was growing up, deciding to go to college, I liked science, I liked art, and I put them together, and I actually had to take 6 buses a day to get to school. I worked 3 jobs. I worked at a grocery store on the weekends. I worked in a knitting factory all week. I went to school all year round. But when you really want something and then you achieve it, I got my degree, but I had all these other things that I did too. So to me, it was much more valuable to me. What I love most about being a textile engineer is that we have science and chemistry and physics and art and the whole creative part of it. And it's like sculpting products, and everything has timing. So what might have worked 20 years ago might not work now. There's always something changing. To me, my whole career is tenacity. And tenacity means my drive to keep going, even though all the stress and all the other obstacles continue to come at me and at our team. We'll find a way to actually make things happen.